Okay, genetics. Today I will talk about where the VDR gene is. So if we look at the body cell, there are 23 chromosomes. And this is one chromosome, this is the second chromosome. If we have the first chromosome, this is called a chromatid. And we have this part, this is also called a chromatid. So together it is called a chromosome. And one chromosome contains two chromatids. As you can see here, this is X and a Y, which is a male. If this is X and X, then it is a female. So how does a body cell differ from a sperm cell? The body cell contains 23 chromosomes, or 46 chromatids. The sperm cell, however, only contains half of each chromosome, or 23 chromatids. 23 chromatids, by the way, is the same number as what egg cells have as well. Now, how is it that the body cell contains 46 chromatids, but sperm cell only contains 23 chromatids? In order to answer that, we have to look at myocytes, or the precursor of sperm cells. What happens is that inside the male testes, myocytes with 46 chromatids undergo meiosis, or the duplication and splitting of reproductive cells. Let's keep it simple and only look at chromosome 12 in a myocyte. A myocyte starts off splitting apart its chromosome into two. By the way, myocyte 1 of the anaphase is where two of the chromatids in the middle exchange genetic information from either. What happens here is that these two cells split apart, leaving each with one chromatid pairs. And then these two cells continue to split into another two cells, leaving each cell with one chromatid. This is, guess what, sperm cells. Remember, when I say one chromatid, we're really looking at 23 of these. Right here, we're only looking at chromosome 12. Realize also that the top chromatid and the bottom chromatid is from the original myocyte. The two in the middle recombined, or they were originally exactly the same as the top and the bottom chromatid, but the middle two mix and become two new chromatids. So now we have 4 of these sperm cells. Let's now take a look at what happens next. Looking only at chromatid 12, one of the 4 sperm finds its way to the eggs, which also contains chromatid 12. Once they fuse and fertilize, these two chromatids will combine and form one chromosome, which through the process of mitosis becomes 2 daughter cells. This process will go on and eventually produce an infant. Remember that my video is about VDR gene and where it is. If we zoom into this chromosome, we can see that chromosome 12 is right here. One chromatid is from the mother's eggs and one from father's sperm. The VDR gene is located precisely here on 12q13. 12 is the number of the chromosome. Remember, we have 23 chromosomes in total, and this is the 12th one. On top of the centromere is location P. On the bottom of the centromere is location Q. Using a microscope, we can actually see there are a lot of bands on the chromosome. So we start off from the centromere and count the band. We get to the band number 13, and this is where VDR gene is located.